Okay, so now we're here. You should have created the drone body or the drone blade. Now we're going to create the drawing. So go to File, New, Drawing Sheet. These are by default what comes in. So you make sure you create hit the outline button and delete. Hit this outline, delete. This outline, delete. You don't want what it comes in with. Hit the home button, square it up. So general, you get your isometric view. General again. Now on this right that comes up, you can hit your top view. Okay. And we're going to project on this view downward. While we're here, we're going to go back to the CAD. We're going to change the colors. So go to display. So if I want to change this as face, where it says face or the body, we just want to change the face. Make that yellow. Change this face. Make that yellow. And change these faces. Make it red. Highlight this. Triple click or double click clicks this portion, and that'll be yellow. Save. Okay. Oh, click that face, make it red. You can click this face, make that yellow. Okay. You can make yours a different color. Okay. Alright, so let's go back to our our drawing. So scrolling with the mouse, middle button. Okay, now we're going to go to detail, hit dimension, click this. Diameter is 25 millimeters. Click this face here. That's 12. And that's 12.5 millimeters. Okay, so then we'll hit cross section. So you'll click this face, this body, and then you'll just drag down, and once you get about here, it's going to be your cross section A. Hit escape, go to select tool, scroll out with the scroll wheel, move this section up slightly. So now you'll have this view. Okay, so now you want a dimension roughly from here to roughly here. Let me hit escape. Actually, it's going to be this point to roughly this point. You don't have to grab the same dimension. Just dimension that extends on this section A. Okay. All right, let's come down here. Go ahead and click note. And here you'll have your first initial, last initial, and then another note and today's date, November 3rd. So 11-3-22, and you'll notice it's a little big, so you'll come in here, right click on it, and this 3.5 you can change down to 2.5, and then just line it up in there. You do another note for you'll put your initials for you and then put your initials for the teacher to sign off, me. So I'll just put in some initials and then I can copy this, Control C, Control V. And then for the title note, it's going to be Drone Blade. It's all capitalized. And put your name. So here we're going to make this bigger. We want to expand the whole region. Oops. Control Z goes back. So click here. 5. Okay. 5. There we go. Okay. Hit the home button, squares you up. Alright, so you have your initials. You'll sign here under approvals. Under approval, you sign here, here. Okay, square you up. Alright, last piece is to highlight. We just want this blade showing. So in order just to get this, just this blade showing, you want to hide the other body. Let's undo. Okay, so what we'll do is split this body into 3 sections, and then hide these 2 sections. So I'll go to design and a split body. So this is my body. I'm going to split it about here. Okay, and hit escape. Now you have 3 different bodies. Okay, so you want to take this body and uncheck them, and then hit this triad, square it up. Okay, now you want to go to views. So you have layers, you have views, create a view, call this your left, then hit OK. It's right here in the create. So now you have a left view. Go back to your file, drawing file. So now go to detail, general, and here click and left. So now you only have this because you hid the other bodies. Okay. And you pull off a cross section. Make sure you're on the reference geometry one, and then horizontal. So you have 1, bring it down here, left click once, and then drag down. Okay. Now go back to your structure tree, and you have a B and a C. So this B1, we need to change it to C. So right click on the structure and rename as C, enter. Okay, let me redo that. So right, B, rename. That's, oh, it's because it already has. Okay, let's rename C as E first. Okay, so this one, C, rename it to E. Okay, and then for B, rename it as C, and then save that. Okay, now we're going to create dimensions. So we want a dimension from here to, so we'll do is create a line. So let's go to sketch. You want to left click on this, and then you're going to go from here to approximately here's 10 millimeters, and then scroll out a little. Here to here will be 22, and here to here is 19. So we'll have 3 dimensions. So go to detail, dimension. You'll dimension from here 13, here 22, and here It's 19. Then exit the sketch mode. So now you have dimensions on the left. Make a note. Left. So you have C and E cross section. You have dimensions. Bring your section C and E on the left side. Then we're going to put another note here. This one was had a scale factor that was equal to 1.5, and we rotated about the rotation was 20 degrees. Okay, we'll make another note here. We used a scale factor that was equal to 125%, 1.25, and we rotated 10 degrees. Escape. So scale factor is 1.5, 1.25 rotated. Okay, now we can save it as a PDF. File, go to print. So print to PDF, change that to yes. Landscape. You want to make it as the PDF writer. Preview. And you want to scale to fit. And hit the print. Hit print. And we'll call this first initial, last initial, dash, drone, blade. Okay, so now when you go into your, you should have PDF, CAD file, and the profile. Email those to me. And you're done. So you have the CAD file and the PDF file.